does a nearly $2,000 skincare routine look like? Let me show you. This is the brand La Mer, and I'm sure you've heard of her. She is an extremely luxury skincare brand, starting off with their hydrating infused emulsion. I feel like I'm about to rub gold on my face right now. Smells like baby powder. I love it. One product on, and do we see that immediate glow? The La Mer Renewing Oil. This brand has extreme anti-aging properties, and I've heard that once you start using them, you don't stop, like ever. The La Mer Eye Concentrate came with this little applicator, and I love it because it feels so cooling as you rub it in. Ooh, I just know my concealer is gonna go on so good today. The product I'm most excited for, their $390 face cream. Look at how thick that is. This is the Creme de la Mer moisturizing cream, and I heard you only need a pearl size amount. I watched this woman's video about the first time she tried La Mer. She said she tried it as a gift, and it's been 15 years and she's never used a different moisturizer. She said to gently rub it in between your fingers to warm it up and break down all the goodness inside of it. And once it's clear, you gently dab it into your face. I also seen a close-up microscopic video of someone applying this before and after, and you could literally see all of his dry patches all over his skin. Once he applied this cream, all of the dry patches expanded and his skin became plump, which I already feel like is happening. Can you see that reflection right there? What? I've never been able to see a plump that instantly with a product. The reparative body lotion. It's giving luxury. I feel like I just walked out of a luxurious spa. Look at the glow on my face and the plump and hydration. Is this real life? They also sent me a suitcase tag with my initial on it. Okay, there is not one crack in my skin. Like it's all like smoothed out as if I were to pull my face apart. I also want to show you guys how concealer and foundation glides onto my skin after using the La Mer skincare routine. See, whatever is in these products, it feels the same on my lips as well. It is extremely smooth. Ooh, look at that. Okay, ready? Literally glided on like butter is under my makeup. I don't know what that means, but that's what it means. I can't. My skin feels so good. My skin feels like it's worth not $1 million, but $2 million.